Good morning, students. Let us start our new chapter, fifth chapter, multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. Okay, fifth chapter, multiples and factors. Today, let us learn about multiples. Okay, multiples. Look here, children. What is this? Yes, this is table of 2 table. Yes, here all these numbers we get after multiplying 2 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 numbers, we will get this answer. All these numbers which come in 2 table are multiples of 2. Okay, these all are multiples. Okay, what we call multiples. And these are multiples of which table? Yes, these are multiples of 2 tables. So we'll write multiples of 2. These all are multiples of 2. We know up to 2 tens are 20 only. We can also multiply 2 with 11, and we can also multiply more, 2 into 200 or 2 into 1000. Okay, so these all are multiples of 2. We cannot find last multiple. Why? Because we can multiply 2 by any big number also. Okay, these all we call it as multiples of 2. This answer we get in 2 table, we call this as multiples of 2. Okay, let us understand what is a multiple of a number once again. Okay, consider, for example, 3 into 4 is a 3 into 4. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. Here this 12 is a multiple of 3. Okay, 12 is a multiple of 3, means we will get 12 in 3 table also. Yes, and 12 is a multiple of 4 also. Why? Because 4 3s are 12. We will get 12 in 4 table also. So 12 is a multiple of 3 and 12 is a multiple of 4. So we can write the definition as like this: a multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Okay, this is the definition of multiple. A multiple of a number is a product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Okay, write these in your fair notes. And now look at example. Let us see how to find multiples of a given number. Look here, example. For example, find the multiples of 5. Find the multiples of 5. 5 means how we will find? Yes, in the definition only is there. A multiple of a number is the product. Product means multiplication we have to do. Product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number, means we have to multiply 5 with any number, then we will get its multiple. Its means which multiple? 5's multiple. Okay, multiple of 5. Look here, 5 into 0, 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4, 5 into 5, 5 into 6, 5 into 7, 5 into 8, 5 into 9, 5 into 10, 5 into 11, 5 into up to so many numbers we can write. Let us multiply with few numbers by 5. 5 multiplies by 0. 5 multiplies by 1, 5 multiplies by 10. Okay, this gives 5 0 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, and so on. Thus we get the series of multiplies by multiplying the given number by other number. These series of multiples are called multiples of 5. Okay, these are the multiples of 5. Only up to 50 only is there? No. We can write so many multiples. Okay, these are the multiples of 5 are 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and so on. Okay, these are the multiples of 5. Okay, let us look at one more example. Okay, look at example 2. Find the multiples of 12. Find the multiples of 12. We have to find out the multiples of 12. Very simple. When we multiply 12 by 0, 12 by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get 0, 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. And these all are the multiples of 12. Okay, and so on we can multiply. So we'll get, when we multiply 12 by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we get multiples of 12. Multiples of 12. We'll write here multiples of 12. 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. Okay, so here the products we get are nothing but these are the multiples of 12. After doing multiplication, we'll get the answers. These answers are nothing but multiples of which number we are multiplying? 12. So these are the multiples of 12. Okay, I am sure you understood this topic. Let us see textbook page number 143. Look here children, complete the following. Here cherries are given. So how many cherries are here? Yes, this is the one bunch is there. Further 3 cherries are there. 1 3 is a 3. And here 2 bunches are there. Each has 3 3. So 3 plus 3. 2 3 is a 6. 3 3 is a 9. 4 3 is a 12. 5 3 is a 15. 6 3 is a 18. 7 3 is a 21. 8 3 is a 24. 9 3 is a 27. 10 3 is a 30. Means here we are multiplying by 3 with any another number. This because this is a bunch with each bunch has 3 cherries. Okay, you get the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. When you multiply 3 by numbers 1 to 10, then we will get these answers. These are the multiples of 3. These are the multiples of 3. We can find the multiples by using number line also. Okay, you can do this on a number line also by counting 3s. By counting 3s we can find multiples of 3. Okay, numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 are the multiples of 3. A multiple of a number is formed by multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 7 and so on. Okay, if you get question like this, find the multiples of 3, multiples of 9, multiples of 8, then simply you have to multiply that number by 1 2 3 4, then we'll get multiples of that particular number. Okay, look here, properties are given. Before that, we'll do this rapid check. Ring the multiples of 2. Means we have to find the multiples of 2 here. Okay. 1 is not multiple of 2. 2 is, yes. 2 ones are 2. 3. No. 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 fives are 10. 2 tens are 20. Here the multiples of 5 are there. We have to find, round up that. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. In 5 table will not get 16. So 16 is not multiple of 5. 24 also not multiple of 5. 25. 5 5s are 25. So we'll round up this. 32 is also not multiple of 5. 40 is, and 55. 5 11s are 55. Okay. Now look at properties of multiples. Properties of multiples. There are 4 properties are there. First property. Look at first property. A number is a multiple of itself. A number is a multiple of itself. When we multiply any number by 1, we'll get the same number. So every number is multiple of itself. Yes. 4 ones are 4, 6 ones are 6, 5 ones are 5, 9 ones are 9, 12 ones are 12, 100 ones are 100, like that. So a number is multiple of itself, means every number is multiple of itself. Okay. Now look at property, second property. Every number is a multiple of 1. Okay. Every number is multiple of 1, means we will get all numbers in one table. Every number is multiple of 1. Okay. 1 3s are 3. 1 12s are 12. Means every number is multiple of 1. Okay. Now look at third property. A multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Look here children. For example, 1 24s are 24. 2 24s are 48, 3 24s are 72, 4 24s are 96. Here these 24, 48, 72, 96 are the multiples of 24. Means multiples of a number is always greater than or equal to the number. Look, equal. 12 is 24 is there, so both are equal, and these all multiples are greater than this number. Yes. Look here children, here we wrote multiples of 5. These are the multiples of 5. So what I said, yes, every multiple is greater than or equal to the number. So 5 ones are 5. This is equal to the number. Remaining all multiples are greater than 5. Yes, greater than 5. Like that, a multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Okay. You can go on multiplying 24 by higher and higher numbers to get more and more multiples. This will never end. As a number has an uncountable number of multiples, there is no largest multiple of a number. Yes, we can write so many multiples of any number. For example, 2. We can write so many. 2 tens are 20. Up to here only we know, but we can write so many. By multiplying more numbers, we can find more multiples. There is uncountable number of multiples. Means there is so many number of multiples are there for one number. Okay. There is no largest multiple of a number. Now look at exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. 12 is a multiple of 3. It is also a multiple of 12 is a multiple of 3, and it is also a multiple of 1 12 and 4 2 and 6. 6 twos are 12. 2 6 are 12. 4 3 is a 12. Now look at B question. 15 is a multiple of. Yes, always every number is multiple of 1. So we'll write 1. And in which table we'll get 15? Yes, 3 5s are 15. So 3 is also we have to write, and 5 3s are 15, and 15 ones are 15. Okay, now look at C question. A number that is a multiple of both 5 and 6. Here given hint, multiply 5 and 6 to get one of the multiples. 5 6 are 30. 30 is a multiple of 5 and 6. Okay, a number that is multiple of both 10 and 12. Simply multiply these two also. 10 12s are 120. 12 10s are 120. A number that is multiple of 2 3 and 5. Multiply these 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. Okay, 30 is the multiple of 2, multiple of 3 and multiple of 5. The smallest multiple of 21 is, yes, what is the smallest multiple of 21? Yes, what are the multiples of 21? 21, 42, 63, like that. Yes, so which one is the first smallest multiple? Yes, the number itself. Okay, smallest multiple of 21 is 21 only. Divide the multiple of a number by the number, the remainder will be, okay, when 0. Okay, for example, 24 is there, 24, 48 is there. 48 is the multiple of 24. 48 divided by 24. 24 to the 48. 48 minus 48, 0. Like this. Okay, means when we divide the multiple of a number by that number, the remainder will always be 0. We'll get 0. Okay, look here children, I have said one definition for you. Yes, this one. Write these in your fair notes. Okay, first write this in your fair notes. After that, write this box. Okay, then next write these properties of multiples. Write this heading and write these 4 properties. After that, write exercise 1, fill in the blanks. Okay, write up to here. Now look at textbook page number 145. Finding multiples of a number. Finding multiples of a number. Okay, to find a multiple of a number, multiply the number by 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, very simple. I already told this. You can do this. Okay, look here, first bit. Do this first and second bits. I will explain. Find the first 5 multiples of these numbers. Look at first problem. 7 is given. Yes, we have to find multiples of 7. We'll write like this. Multiples of 7 are, look here, we have to find multiples of 7. Okay, here in the question, find the first 5 multiples of 7 given. So we have to multiply 7 by 1, 7 by 2, 7 by 3 and 7 by 4 and 7 by 5. Okay, only first 5 multiples. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s is 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. These are the multiples of first 5 multiples of 7. Okay, you can write this outside of the line and you have to write these in after the question. Okay, like this, find out the multiples of 9 10 12 15 20 25. Okay, 25, very simple. Multiply 25 by 1 2 3 4 5, then you will get the first 5 multiples of 25. Okay, this is first bit homework. Okay, do like this. Okay, now look at second bit. Check if the first number is a multiple of second number. Here two numbers given, 56 7, 64 8, 73 9, 10 10, 25 1, 65 5. Okay, to check whether the whether the first number is multiple of second number, we have to do division like this. Okay, look here children, I will explain. 56 and 7 given. Okay, we have to check whether 56 is a multiple of 7 or not. Okay, to check these, we have to do division. Divide 56 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. So 7 eights are 56. 56 minus 56 is 0. If you get remainder 0, this is remainder and this is quotient. If you get remainder 0, then this 56 is a multiple of 7. Okay, we'll write like this. 56 divided by 7 is equal to, what answer we got? 8. And here what remainder we got? Remainder is 0. So remainder is 0. So 56 is a multiple of 7. Okay, this is first answer. One more I will explain. For example, C. Okay, C. Look at C question. 73 and 9. 73 and 9. 73. We have to find whether 73 is a multiple of 9 or not. We have to find 73 is a multiple of 9 or not. Okay. To find that, to check that, we have to divide 73 by 9. 73 by 9. Okay. 73 divided by 9. In 9 table, we'll get 73. No. 9 8s are 72. 73 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 7 is 0. So here we got remainder as 1. 73 divided by 9 is equal to 8. And we get remainder as 1. Okay, remainder is 1. So here we got remainder 1. So 73 is not a multiple of 9. Means we have to get remainder 0 only. If you get 0 only, then only that is a multiple of that number. Otherwise, if you get 1, 2, 3, 4, any number, if you get here any number, then that is not the multiple of that second number. Okay, I have explained A and C. You have to do B, D, E, F. Okay, I have explained here A. You have to do remaining all. Complete your notes up to here. Okay, complete your notes up to second bit. Okay, thank you.